Hi everyone, welcome to IQ Search. What is the value of the expression 8 minus 3 inside the parentheses, then plus 3 to the power of 2, and multiply by 6 minus 2 inside the parenthesis? This expression looks very simple, but only 5% of people can find the correct answer. Let's break it down and solve it together. And the first step to solve this question, most people will start with the expression inside the first parenthesis, and simply write this expression to 8 minus 3 equals 5. Plus 3 to the power of 2. Multiply by 6 minus 2 inside the parentheses. And the next step, they usually move on to the exponent and replace this expression with 5 plus 3 to the power of 2 equals 9. Then times 6 minus 2 inside the parentheses. Then they perform the addition between 5 and 9. And simplifying this expression to 14 times 6 minus 2 inside the parentheses. And the final step, they go for the expression inside the parenthesis and replace it with 14 times 6 minus 2 equals 4. And 14 times 4, which ultimately gives them the answer 56. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright. Now let's go through this question step by step and solve it together. To solve this problem, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS shows the priority of mathematical operations. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must perform all the operations strictly from top to bottom according to the PEMDAS rule. Okay? As you can see in the image in this expression, first we have parenthesis, then an addition sign, followed by an exponent, then a multiplication sign, and finally another parenthesis. According to the PEMDAS rule, we should always start with the parenthesis since they have the highest priority among all the operations. We simplify as 8 minus 3 equals 5. Then plus 3 to the power of 2. And times 6 minus 2 equals 4. And the next step, it's time to handle the exponent. Because after parenthesis, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So we write this expression as 5 plus 3 times 3 equals 9. Then bring down 4 as it is. Now we have an addition and a multiplication. Finally, we need to perform the multiplication because multiplication has a higher priority than addition. We do the multiplication between 9 and 4. And this expression simplifies to 5 plus 9 times 4 equals 36. Then we perform the addition between 5 and 36, which ultimately gives us the answer 41. And this is the final expression to this problem. Comment if you got it. Subscribe now to IQ Surge and keep your brain getting smarter every day.